Let's go over my favorite type of tenant profile, students, and why Guelph is ideally set up for student rentals. Guelph being a university town, it's a great opportunity here. 25,000 of the 30,000 students who come here each year live off campus, which means we have extremely high demand for student rental properties, and these properties can provide amazing cash flow opportunity. Personally, I love renting to students. They're my favorite tenant profile for the Guelph real estate market, and the reason being is that one, you get the highest cash flow with students. When you're renting per bedroom, you're going to get much more than renting out the entire home just to a single family. And then students have higher turnover. And a lot of investors will go, well, that's not good. It means I have to re-rent the property more frequently. But what it allows you to do is every year, 2 years, maximum really 3 years that the students are there, you get to re-rent at new market rates, which allows you to keep up. Over the last several years, our rental rates in Guelph have been going through the roof. If you have a tenant that's been in the home for 5, 10 years, you can't keep up with rental market rates based off of the small increases that the government allows us to do. Now, some of the disadvantages with students is that sometimes you do have a little bit more maintenance costs. So when the students leave out, a lot of the times they don't move everything out. So you do have a bit of garbage that you have to clear out. Sometimes you have to do some painting and freshening up. And a lot of investors are really scared that, they're going to have students come in and throw massive parties. And, we've all heard of like the horror stories where there's like 300 kids at a frat party. But what we've found is with students that they're actually, if you do the screening properly, you really can avoid a lot of the issues. And then the other great thing with students is that you usually don't have any issues collecting rent, and you can get parents to guarantor as well. So it's very safe that you're going to actually collect your money, and you're not going to end up in a situation where you've got a tenant in your property not paying rent for 6 months and you can't get them out.